Abigail Donnelly, and I'm here today with one of our very special judges, Anna Trapido, who is part of the panel for this year's 2022 Eat Out Restaurant Awards. She's a food anthropologist, she's an unbelievable food writer, and she really does respect the chefs and the industry and has made it her life. So welcome, Anna. We are thrilled, over the moon to have you.
Well, I'm so pleased to be a judge.
What motivated you to say yes as a judge this year?
Look, I think it's a no-brainer that it's such a ridiculously lucky job to get, that somebody to say you need to go and eat in all the best restaurants is, you'd have to be pretty stupid not to say yes. What's important is not to just assume that it's a fun jaunt, that chefs have had the most terrible 18 months. I think it's a very interesting year to be judging because it's almost as though the restaurant industry is rising like phoenixes from the fire, that
100%.
And they might be all different birds.
For you, what are you really hoping to bring to the judging panel, through the restaurants, through all your experience, through all your mentorship, finding new faces and voices and food in South Africa and being able to put it onto an international map? What is your philosophy?
What I like is when a chef has been brave enough to give you a sense of who they are. And that's quite scary because that's about standing up naked and saying, do you like me?
Completely.
So I think that I bring an ability to analyze that kind of, if we are what we eat, who are we? Mm-hmm. I think that, I've spent a lot of time engaging with heritage and indigenous ingredients and recipes and cooking methods and ways that people farm. And so I think I probably know quite a lot about both Southern African and African in general flavors and kind of core flavor repertoires. And I think that's probably useful in that search for, if we are what we eat, who are we?
I admire you, I respect you, and I know the industry does. So thank you.
Oh, well, thank you. The feeling is mutual.
Oh, thank you.
We'll have a mutual admiration society.
Thank you.